are many different packages. As for this one, this is a gift box. A gift box to close like this. Okay, and this one is to open like this, and there will be a foam insert, and a whiskey smoker kit will look like this. And this design is made by our customer and send us to make the color box. So we can custom different designs. This one's a magnetic box. You can see here's a magnet here. Okay. Also our customer's design. And this two sets also the gift box. Okay, and here is our wooden box, different size wooden box. And you can see here the foam insert has a velvet cover here, and it looks more luxury. This is blacker, the velvet cover. You can see this part and this part, the difference here. You can see these smoker kits also include different items. So if you want to custom your own smoker kit, just contact us and share your ideas. And here just the neutral folding box. It is our normal package. If you have any other requirements on package, we will offer such folding box. It is all black. Okay.